today we caught one only cricket that is lost in this forest.
But tell the subscriber where we are.
We are in this lonely forest catching bugs and
We
snakes.
are in this lonely forest.
If you see someone subscriber, we have reached for some time of driving. We're gonna get off it. If you see someone else,
Who is so brave to come here? Because we have our 4x4 Firestorm. We are here. The Firestorm can go anywhere.
wow, look at those beautiful looking ants. They're so big. Subscriber,
Can you show the subscriber the bug which you have caught?
it's called the. I think this is what's called the two orange dot head.
Okay, put your safety goggles on.
Yeah, but they're gonna hold this hook so I can put it.
Chabu has got also the snake hook he has.
Yeah, I'm
prepared.
gonna hold the snake one day when I find it, and I
Come,
found
let's go.
it, and that I was scared, so I'm trying to find it. There are different types of snakes. That bush is definitely a snake bush. Everyone is done that. You don't know if there's a snake or any frogs or any.
Don't go there. Don't go there, Chabu.
I found a very interesting looking plant.
No, that's a thorns. Those will be. You don't know that plant. Don't touch.
I'm gonna touch it. It feels kind of weird.
We need to tell the subscribers the right thing and be careful. Don't go inside that place. Let's go. Let's go to the new place. The subscriber wants to.
Sure.
Come.
Thinking that was a snake or something. Okay. So subscriber, don't try this at home. I'm trying this because I'm a snake expert. There could be anything under this. I'm a snake expert, that's why I'm trying to catch a snake. I'm not showing my eye in front of there. Because there could be a snake up there.
Come. The jungle lover is coming. Everybody look at Mr. Chabu.
I'm running in windstorm.
Careful.
There could be any snakes. This is a perfect bush for snake, right?
Yes, that's why we need to be careful.
What is one fruit? Here another one.
Again.
Just take it.
What are we going to do with this fruit? They look poisonous.
What is
Come here. Let's go this side. Chabu.
these two I'm gonna get.
Okay, subscriber. He doesn't know, I think, which fruit to go pluck, which not to. Come.
No, this fruit. This.
Okay, subscriber. You want to tell something to them?
Yeah, we're gonna release this.
But yeah, it's fine. We no need to go. You can drop it here. Okay, subscriber. The nature lover is releasing the bug into its natural habitat.
Get it.
Leave it. It'll go.
Oh, it went on.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, wait, there's some other things here that we could.
Come, let's go.
But there's some other things.
Let's do off-road now.
You got something?
I don't know. Ask them. I think they got a snake or
Subscriber, we have reached for some time of driving. We're gonna get off and we're gonna do our wildlife adventure. And we're gonna do another hike. For example.
Okay.
if you see someone else inside this car, you can call us folks, or you can call someone else. If you see someone else in the car. The talking is done. Okay. So subscriber, we have reached and I'm getting out of the car with my gloves and everything. And never got my safety goggles, so I'm going out. Nara, have you got the safety goggles?
It's there. We don't need it here. Come out.
But there could be any snake that's right to an eye or something.
I think I saw something.
We're gonna put this
You see that?
What?
That big termite have built that. What is that called?
I think it's called the termite mountain.
Termite mountain?
Yeah.
Usually what happens, the snakes, they occupy the termite mountain.
And
You know how?
Yeah.
They go inside, they eat all the termites and they make the termite mountain their home.
The snake mountain. Always hold about time.
This is also one of the places where snakes can be found. But we must be very careful and don't go near that. We need to teach the right thing to the subscribers, Chabu.
I'm not a professional. I know.
You're professional, then stay away and show them the right thing. Don't go like that.
I found a spider, everybody. Everybody, we found a spider here. Get the box. I got it. Oh no. Oh. The fly. The spider.
Don't hold it like that. You don't have your gloves.
I guess we can catch it. Come on, let's go somewhere. Let's go and find some snakes here. Subscriber, you should not try this because I'm a professional. I'm trying it because professionals usually know.
Okay, let's see the termite. Come here, let's see the termite.
Hey, let's see the snake. Come on, let's see it.
Be careful.
Yeah,
There may be trap.
yeah. Come on. Be careful, Lara. You can't see it. This camouflage. Be careful. You don't have back shoes protector or front.
You stepped on cow dung, I think.
It's not cow dung. It's grey.
Okay, let's go.
Cow dung doesn't look grey. Come on. So there is where the big boy is.
Okay, don't go
Stay
anymore.
away. Stay away, everybody. I'm catching.
Hey, Chabu, Sapoj.
What?
There is a snake, everybody.
Let me check.
We saw a snake. Chabu, you want to see?
Yeah, I want to see it. But you are the not snake guy.
See. Do you see?
Yeah, can I see it?
It went inside.
Let me go and see it.
No.
No, Zara, we need to catch it.
We saw the snake.
Let me go.
Subscriber, we saw the snake.
Leave me.
Oh no.
Zara, leave me.
We saw the snake, everybody.
No, Zara,
Yo,
leave.
wait. Let me just do the poly snake. Abhi.
Yeah, but it's inside and I have a snake hook and I'm a professional. And you don't know anything. Exhibit 7. That was bothering me.
No, that is a poisonous snake. I think that was a cobra.
Safety goggles. Emergency, everybody.
What is this?
Rabbit.
Do you agree with him?
What is that?
It's a rabbit, right? And you guys are absolutely right again. 10 points to you.
Still feel like
That's fine.
one
And this
of
rabbit
those
will
fluffy.
also like the guinea pig comment, but only in cartoons and storybooks, not in real life.
Oh,
In real life, they will not find a carrot because
know what
carrot is an
rabbit's
underground vegetable. Even if they found the
I
plant,
think they eat their own.
they'll see the leaves out of the ground. They'll eat that and walk off. Their main food is not cauliflower either. No vegetable that we eat. Their main food is something that they'll find right in front of their eyes and a lot of it. What is it? Grass. And grass is healthy for them as well. So the rabbit will also circulate among you guys.
Why do you have to push the
I have yet another animal. Do you know what this animal is called? Porcupine and hedgehog. I got two equally confident answers. So let's take a vote. Team Porcupine.
Hedgehog. Yeah, hedgehog.
Okay, she jumped ships. You say it's a porcupine? Might as well jump ship. Because this is a hedgehog only. And he is absolutely right. 10 points to him.
10 points. You get 10 points.
Good job. This is a hedgehog.
Thank you.
And hedgehogs, like porcupine, will have spikes on their body, but unlike a porcupine, they cannot detach the spike from their body. They cannot take it out of their body. So what do? How do they defend themselves? They turn into a ball. When they turn into a ball, all the delicate body parts are hidden, all the spikes are exposed, so nobody can touch them from anywhere. He's not scared of me, so he'll start dancing in my hand, but they'll stay a ball every time, you know, any animal is near them. See, I'll tickle him, then he'll start becoming a ball, then he'll see my face,
Sit back. Sit properly.
and he'll start dancing. He'll open.
Pet him there. Pet him there.
Can you dance like him? So for the hedgehog, everybody listen up. How will the interaction go? I will not give it on your hand because it has sharp spikes. It has a habit of nibbling. So you will pet him neck down to the back while I hold him, okay? Neck to the back. Cut the two.
Thank you.
No.
No?
I think it goes to my eye.
Do that.
Not that spicy.
It's not that spiky.
Yeah, it's not
That's because you're doing it the way I told you to. You do it the other way, you'll know how spiky it is.
sharp.
It's sharp.
It looks like a blade.
Front
It
to
looks
back.
like a blade. They're dancing in his hand. I definitely want to hold it.
Hey.
They're pinching it. They think it's gonna die when it's
తెల్ల పట్టుకోవద్దు ఇక్కడే ఎనఫ్
definitely won't.
Only back. Wait, back or side?
Want to do either or either.
It's trying to eat my lap.
Thank you.
It's trying to eat me. I think I have to feed the rabbit. Look at it. I think that's what is called fats.
It's called a Chinese owl. I think it's a type of pigeon, but it's called Chinese owl. This is called long-fish tumbler.
Long fish. It definitely looks long. Hey, look at that cockroach.
It's a swordfish tumbler.
Short fish, yeah.
German neck shaker.
Neck shaking. They shake the neck just like a neck shaking.
Pomeranian router.
Will I bite?
Yes, yes. Come here, I'm here.
Let's do habitat.
Gerbil. I think that's a gerbil.
Three jumps.
3 gerbils. Come here.
It's a dog. Look at me.
Second is L zone, L in shape. Third one is Herpetorum, reptiles. Fourth is Neighboring the birds. Okay, only green side only. You are all sitting. We were coming close to you. It was easy for you to sit for you. But here in L zone, I will be walking and you will be walking with me. So difficult for both of us. So I have a request here. For next 15 minutes, please stick to the team. Okay, farm will be open till 7 o'clock. You can come back whenever you want. Take as many photos. But for this 15 minutes, stick to the team. Just for 2 to 3 people, entire team can't wait. Right? Good to go? Yeah. Yes, starting with this. These are called Cayuga ducks. Really? Sorry, it's not Cayuga, it's Cayuga. Cayuga? Yes. These are scientifically made. Yes. By scientists of USA. They collected samples from 8 different ducks, injected to an egg and made this. You know why? What is the purpose? To have them as a meat. Okay. You can see the differences in them or all are same. Right? Okay. The difference is like we humans get grey hair when we get old. They get white feathers, starting on their chest and on their back. White feathers. Okay. You need this guy. You know, this is actual goosebump, not what we get. Okay, these are goosebumps, and they have webbed feet, which will help them come for swimming. I come close to you. You can see they have teeth.
Stop.
Muttu. Papa itkattar muttu. Nodu. Come on, touch.
Do you want to touch it?
Touch. Muttu.
Yeah, feed the baby goat. Not like that. You have to hand feed him. Yes. Pet him with his back, on his back.
Uncle, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Careful.
That feeling, bro.
Let's go meet ostrich now. Yes, we.
Throw, he will, try to bite you. He is so tall, see?
Okay. Myself, Mohit. What's in front of you? Okay, what you know about ostrich? ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತು ostrich ಬಗ್ಗೆ? Ostrich, largest bird. ಮತ್ತೆ? Big bird. Okay. Okay, big eggs. Okay, you can see how many toes they have. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Okay, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ.
Come, no. They will bite.
One bite can crack your skull. Okay, nice color. Please go.
No, not the head.
Boxing. And
can-
this is a single put me.
Back. Hey, come here.
ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಂಬರ್
ಐಶೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ
You can touch their back, not the.
ನೀನು ಕೂರು ಐಶೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಹತ್ರ
No, you can pat their back. Back only, not the head. Yes, back.
ಓಕೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಪೋಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can sit like this ಹಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬಹುದು
Chabu, come here. Hold it like this. Hold him. Grab. Yes, like that. Yes, hold him.
There's a hole in his head.
That's his ears.
Yeah, it looks like a
That's his ears.
hole. Looks like crack.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಮಾಡು
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ರಿ ನೆಟ್ಟ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು తర్వాత
No, hato utha. Sit. Don't touch it.
I'm looking at it. Awesome. Like grabbing. It's shooting viral at me.
Look at me. What is that?
It's eating it. Anything.
ನೋಡು ಹತ್ರ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡು
Reading this? No.
Hey, don't touch it.
Eating. Little eating.
Give it. No. Not game for the kids.
Nikki.
Guys, we're not giving any of the reptiles to the kids.
Not the snakes also?
No.
Why so?
We're not able to take the risk. They can bite, they can strike if they're mishandled.
Can you hold him? He'll just pat him.
That can be done.
You want to touch that? Just touch it like this.
ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಐಶೋ ಎತ್ಕೋತೀಯ ಮಗನ ಎತ್ಕೋತೀಯ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನ
Tara, can you save it?
It's a snapping turtle, see?
The bug, can you save it? Tara, 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 Tara. That's very cool fish. Tara, look, there's a big giant fish in there.